Hello again everyone. We are preparing the boat to leave Nazarè. We're gonna be heading to Peniche probably, or Peniche, and staying there one night, 25 miles, and then heading next day to Cascais, which is 45 miles. We're gonna be hugging the coast as it's advised to avoid all the orcas, and the weather should be really calm. Today we're gonna have a little wind on the nose, but tomorrow should be on the back and about 10 knots. Nazarè is a lovely place. So here is the nice nature, the view from our cockpit. So it'd be missed. We had good time here. So now let's get the boat ready and head out in the ocean. Off the dock. Was very smooth leaving the dock, and hopefully smooth sailing now. Stanis is fixing the fenders, and over there is the exit of the marina, and that's Nazarè for you. That's the north part of the marina, and over there is the south part. There are two parts of the marina, north and south. We were in the north. It looks like most visiting yachts go there on this pontoon or over there. So yeah, good spot, very easy. People are very helpful, so highly recommend if you're sailing to visit Nazarè. Really nice place. Plus you have the biggest waves in the world that can be surfed, or that were surfed. Bye bye Nazarè, we are out. That's the exit. We are about 5 miles from the marina. We are just about to round the peninsula, the little peninsula in Peniche. Very rugged coast, like down there, the rocks go out and in. Very interesting, very interesting coast. And there are some islands on the other side over there. So after we round, we put the fenders and ropes and hopefully get into the marina, because they say that in this marina, if it's full, there's only one visitor pontoon, and if it's full, you need to go outside and anchor in the harbor, and not in the mood for anchoring. We want to stay in the marina and go in the town for a pleasant walk. So let's see how it will go now. We are ready to enter the marina at the entrance of the harbor. That's the harbor in front of us. Little beach, calm place. I tried to contact the marina on the phone, but no answer. So we're gonna wait for the ferry on our back, and then we're gonna be entering the harbor. And then I tried the marina on VHF. Entering the marina in a very smooth pace. Now we're gonna go and try contact the actual marina. Ribeira, did I say Ribeira? Ribeira. Marina Ribeira. This is sailing vessel Juniper 2, over. No answer. They don't answer for some reason. So maybe we should stop even trying. I tried on the phone try on the radio. But the marina is just in front of us, so there should be coverage, but nothing. Anyway, we keep going then and find a spot for us. That's a little castle over there. Over there looks really nice. And now we are following all the fishing boats and everything. There is some traffic here. It's not like zero traffic. So it's an interesting place. That here is a mooring bow field. They say it's they owned by people, but you should be able to anchor somewhere. I'm not sure where, but you should be able to anchor here. Hopefully we don't have to anchor, because that's the marina just beside us. So let's find a place now in the marina and stay in the marina after we avoid the ferry. Wow, crazy. Let's keep driving now. This guy there just left, so exact spot for us. So now we're gonna circle and see which side we're gonna park. Nice, 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 looking promising. We are circling around the boats. Spoke with one of the guys. They said, give me a minute. The boat behind me over there to put fenders, I guess. So we're gonna circle around, and I'm not sure if this guy with the rip, but it's too tight there, so maybe we just raft. Yeah, I think we're just gonna raft, and that's it. So our year so far, we didn't need to raft. This will be our first time rafting. Are you living there? You living? Can I go? Oh, that's fine. I wait. Yeah. We're gonna try sticking there. Дали ще можем там да стикнем? I'm not sure if we can get in there, but we'll see now. No, I'm not sure if we should remove the fenders. Let's wait. No rush. Right, we docked in a very, very, very tight space. That was the tightest docking ever. Look at this. That was exact size of our boat. So that's the front here. And I went and moved, after we docked, I moved this boat about that distance, half a meter, because our anchor was inside. So they could have touched. And then the boat on the back, again, their anchor was almost touching that's why I put the fender. So then we asked the guy with the boat on the back to move it half a meter as well. But that's all after we docked. So it was, wow, docking like crazy. We docked in a place that is shorter than our boat, basically. Amazing. And that's the visitor pontoon. I spoke with the first boat where we were going to raft and asked them to come here and help us, because it was very hard to do the ropes otherwise. The guy measured it with his feet and said, "Ooh, you might fit, you might not." We were talking through the bay, through the water. And they are leaving tomorrow at 7. So we're gonna go and explore a little bit the village, which looks really nice, super nice actually. And then crash into bed a little bit early today, so that we can continue tomorrow to Qashqai. Nice, exciting. Now we're gonna go and enjoy some nice restaurant or nice place to eat. It doesn't have to be a restaurant. There are loads of little places where you can eat very nice food. We're out doing some evening walk in Peniche, and it's amazing. It has these little streets between the houses, coves. The whole village is full with those type of coves that come from the ocean.
It's like you're in the Aladdin movie, really like very oriental, so beautiful.
Super nice. It's on some places you think you can't really pass. You think you're in you think you're in people's homes, but it's actually the street. Wow, so cool. Really impressed. We didn't expect that. We are getting ready to leave for not Cascais, but the next marina, Oeiras. I don't remember the name, but it's after Cascais, heading to Lisbon. It is about 50 miles from here. There should be very light wind, sunny, and very low swell based on forecast, which is very unusual for the coast. And this marina was very interesting. Nobody really checked us in the evening. Only in the morning a guy came and collected money, and everyone kind of squeezed and rafted wherever they found. So not well organized based on other marinas, but still good, still a place to stay, not expensive. So it was really pleasant, and the town was very nice. So we are leaving any moment now, and that's the exit over there. The exit of the marina, the fortress on the back, built by the English in 16th century. They established the town here of Peniche. Some history. We saw it yesterday. And yeah, let's get going. 50 miles. Very nice. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning. The sun is just up there. It was very beautiful sunrise. Very calm ocean. Unusual. No wind, obviously. And 50 miles to go. And that's Peniche on that side over there. We had good time here, even though it was just one night, but nice. So let's now enjoy our 10-hour sail, motor sail. Now, sandwiches, well, marmalade and whatever, and jam and butter, sort of sandwiches, and coffee. We are just passing Cabo de Roca, the most western continental part of Europe. Wow, this I can't even say it, but it's the most western point of the continent. Oh, over there. There. Full with tourists apparently. We've been there 15 years ago and we've been one of the tourists. Nice beaches, even the small beaches there, they have people. Somehow they get to there, not sure how, but they look very beautiful. And in front of us is Cabo de Roca. We're gonna turn east, obviously, because we continue around the coast, and we have 14 miles left to our marina in just before Lisbon. Video on the VHF that there was a whale orca sightseeing or seeing just beside Peniche and around lunchtime, and they swim south, so they're going towards our direction, and they swim with about 6-7 miles. So they're somewhere behind us, maybe, or beside us. So we're hoping to avoid them. Let's see, 10 miles left, 10 miles, every noise makes like, ooh, is that a dolphin, is that a wave, or is that an orca? So it'd be interesting 10 miles now. We are 1 mile in front of the marina called Oeiras. That's a fort there. After the fort we need to turn left to the marina. I'm gonna be calling them now, but first I wanted to show you the entrance to Lisbon. Looks really cool. I don't know if you can see the bridge, but it's a very impressive view looking at the bridge. Really impressive view. So that's Lisbon for you. And over there on the left is the marina. That's the marina wall. So let's go and call them on VHF 9 and see what we can do, how we park, where we park, and so on. We're gonna stay 1 week here and then we continue south. Marina Oeiras, this is sailing vessel, Juniper 2, over.
Juniper 2nd, here Oeiras Marina, please transmit.
We are in front of the marina. We are looking to stay 1 week, 11-meter long sailing boat, over.
Juniper 2nd, do you need help to stop the boat?
No, we're okay if you tell me where to go, over.
Juniper 2nd, once you enter the marina between pontoon Echo and pontoon F, your berth is on the 8th finger, counting from the top of the pontoon Echo, next to a boat called Mr. Eugenia.
Okay, understood. Between E and F, counting 8 from E, and it's Mr. Jacko, over. Mr. Jacko. That'd be interesting. So pontoon E, Echo. Number 8. We should be okay. Let's now focus and park the boat.
Juniper 2nd, here Oeiras Marina, is the 8th finger, counting from the top, next to Mr. Eugenia.
Understood. 8, counting from the top. Mr. Eugenian. Thank you very much. Over. 8 from the top. Wasn't from the top. What does it mean from the top? I'm asking in Bulgarian because I'm quick in Bulgarian. Don't know what it means from the top. Now we look for Mr. Eugenian or something. Pontoon E. Let's see. Nice, we're entering the marina and we're gonna be looking now at the first one is E. We're gonna see which one is F now. We should be okay. It's a bit tight, but we should be okay. Safely docked, checked in, had dinner, took showers, both of us, and we are ready to go out and walk around the lovely place. It looks like a really nice marina with loads of restaurants and coffee shops and swimming pool on the site over there, large swimming pool, and that's the marina for you. Really nice place and a very pleasant evening. So we're gonna enjoy our stay here for about 6 days. And then we are going to continue south to Sines. For now, good evening and see you next time.